Hi there. In this video I'm doing a comparison of Lenovo A6000 Plus and Micromax Canvas Hue AQ5000. For specification comparison you can go and do Google search on the web. In this case I am giving you a live experiences of using these smartphones. So in this case I may mention some specification and I may skip some, so the live experience matters in this particular video. So let's start with the price of this smartphone. The Micromax Canvas Hue AQ5000 is more expensive than Lenovo A6000 Plus. Now let's move and discuss the design of the Micromax Canvas Hue AQ5000. In terms of height, Lenovo A6000 Plus has less height than the Micromax Canvas Hue AQ5000. In terms of thickness, the Lenovo A6000 Plus is thinner than the Micromax version, and in terms of weight, once again Lenovo A6000 Plus is lighter. Now let's move to the hardware department. This one is a quad core and this one is also a quad core, but this one has 64-bit gigabyte processor and this one 64-bit processor, and this one has only 32-bit processor. This one has a 16 GB of internal memory and this one has 8 GB of internal memory. Then you can see that the back of these two smartphones are pretty much different. This one attracts fingerprints and this one does not at all attract fingerprints. So now we move further and we see what else these two smartphones have to offer. We are now going to look at the display of these two devices. The display on Micromax Canvas Hue AQ5000 is way more better than the display of Lenovo A6000 Plus. Micromax Canvas Hue AQ5000 has AMOLED display, while Lenovo A6000 Plus has only HD display. Now let's move to the performance part. Since the Lenovo A6000 Plus has 2 GB of RAM, the performance of the Lenovo A6000 Plus is much higher than the performance of Micromax Canvas Hue AQ5000. Now let's move to the gaming. All the kind of games run on both these devices, while some high graphics games will definitely run on Lenovo A6000 Plus at higher graphical settings, but you will not see much difference in terms of gaming in both these devices. The opening time is always the same. So the Lenovo A6000 is actually a powerhouse in terms of specifications. Now I'm going to move towards the camera of both these devices. The camera on both these devices is 2 megapixel on the front. So the front has 2 megapixel and the rear has 8 megapixel. Both of these are autofocus in the cameras and have a powerful LED flash. In case of Micromax Canvas Hue AQ5000, there is no noise reduction, while the Lenovo A6000 Plus offers you a noise reduction. Now let's move to the video quality of both these two smartphones. You can hardly differentiate between the video quality of Lenovo A6000 Plus and Micromax Canvas Hue AQ5000. As far as I have used the Lenovo Micromax smartphone, I can say that the Micromax has a pretty much best camera available to it, and in fact the video and the images captured by the rear camera of Micromax are really detailed, and so is the case with Lenovo A6000 Plus as well. The camera app provided to Micromax Canvas Hue is very inferior when compared with the Lenovo A6000 Plus. Lenovo's A6000 Plus is a powerhouse of the camera features. I have done a camera review of Lenovo A6000 Plus. You can check that out to see what I'm talking about. If I start comparing about the cameras of both these two smartphones, then even a 1 hour won't be sufficient, because there is every single then I have to compare every single detail on these two smartphones, and since I want it to be a quick video, I would like to just say the words that the Lenovo A6000 Plus is the powerhouse in terms of camera. The Micromax Canvas Hue AQ5000 takes 1080p at 3GP format, while the Lenovo A6000 Plus camera take So video at last is 720p, but it has a lot of file formats. So Lenovo is 6000 plus is once again the best camera smartphone there. Now in terms of audio comparisons, the audio grills on both of these smartphones are present down here. The Lenovo A6000 Plus has dual audio speakers, and then Micromax Canvas U AQ5000 has only single, but the performance of both the loudspeakers are same. You'll hardly get to notice the differences, and that's why I may not be able to tell which one is a clear winner here. Now in case of battery life, indeed the Micromax Canvas U AQ5000 is a clear winner, and the Lenovo A6000 Plus is a failure. In terms of battery, if you need a battery and RAM, camera features, and the CPU does not matter to you, in fact even 16 GB of internal memory does not matter to you, then only thing that matters to you is the battery life, then this is the smartphone that you should go with. That is, the Micromax is the smartphone that you should go with. It not only has 3000 mAh battery, but it also has quick charge feature. In this case, if you plug your charger to this camera, that when the battery was about 25%, then within an hour it will hit 90%. This is how fast the charging on Micromax Canvas U AQ5000 is. And when the brightness is kept very low, the battery backup that this smartphone gives you is really epic. So for battery, get this one. For performance, get this one. And if you get this one for battery, then also you will not notice much difference in terms of performance because this is quad core and has 1 GB of RAM, so it has sufficient. The only thing is that space runs out very quickly, and in case of Lenovo A6000 Plus, the space does not run out because it's 16 GB. And in this case, even if you have a SD card, then you will have to uninstall some applications to make way for new applications. So this is one of the sad department. For me, if I had to pick one among both these devices, then I would clearly go for Lenovo A6000 Plus. And I would also like to know what smartphone you would go with. If you go with Lenovo A6000 Plus or Micromax Canvas U AQ5000, please tell me that in the comments down below. Thanks for watching. We'll meet in the next comparison.